Yes. What's going on, guys? This has been aka Day Trading Addict, and I have another good video for you guys. Today, we're going to talk about how to trade the 1-minute chart using supply and demand zones, okay? So you definitely want to watch this video and see these exclusive scalping secrets. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because over here, I help struggling traders take their trading to the next level. I have 13 years of experience when it comes to trading these markets. So make sure you follow this channel because I'm the guy that's going to help you with your trading. So let's get to the charts, guys, and let me explain my trades for this week. Okay, I'm going to show you guys my trades for this week and show you guys how I was scalping on a 1-minute chart and taking these trades around these supply and demand zones. So let's get the party started here. So first trade I'm going to show you guys, basically Nasdaq 100. We had a nice little pop to the upside, okay, and the 5-minute created a nice demand level. Now, in this video, I'm not going to get into, what is supply, what is demand. I have so many videos about that, so just go to my channel and check that out, okay? So we had a nice little pop. It came back to demand, so I went to my 1-minute chart. Okay, guys, so here's the 1-minute chart. It came back to the demand zone right here. You could tell that we had a couple of rejections right here. And as soon as I saw some bullish action, pretty much I got in, okay? And my stop loss on this one was very, very small. And I was loving this trade right here because my stop loss was pretty much right here at that candle. And my target was the high, okay? So overall, it was a nice 5R trade, and I was good for the day. So let me show you guys another trade on a 1-minute chart. Okay, guys, so here's another trade that I took this week. Pretty much gold was selling off like crazy. We had a nice demand, actually supply area right here. I didn't really take this trade, but I saw another supply area right here, okay? And this is where I was looking at to get in the market right here. So I went back to my 1-minute chart, so let's go there. Okay, guys, so this is the gold 1-minute chart. So price came back to the supply area right here. It was struggling to go higher on this candle, and then we had this nice red candle right here. As soon as I saw sellers come in right here, I actually got in for a quick scalp, nothing crazy. And, I was out. I put my stop loss above this candle right here, and pretty much I was going for the lows right here. Again, it was a very quick scalp, in and out. I was done, okay? So that was that trade. Nice gold trade, straight to the point. If you are new to the trading world, a lot of times following a trend is where it's at, okay? So let me go to the next scalping trade. Okay, so this is Nasdaq 100. This is another trade that I took this week. We had a nice move to the upside, okay? We pulled back. We made a new high. Nice demand. You can tell that smart money's in the building. A lot of buying going on, so I was looking for the market to pull back so I can buy around this area, okay? So let me go to that 1-minute chart. Okay, so right here, we have the market coming back to this demand zone right here, all right? And pretty much when we was getting in the demand zone, I decided to get in with a limit order, okay? So I have my limit order right here, okay? And I put my stop loss around here. So my target was pretty much this left shoulder right here. I wasn't too sure if the market was going to have trouble around this resistance line right here, so I got out, okay? But you can tell that we did create a new high, okay? But overall, I got in for a quick scalp, got out, and got my profits. I was happy. So that was that trade, straight to the point. This one I went with a limit order because overall I was loving the action. Some trades I go with a limit order. Some trades I just look for confirmations. Most of my trades I look for confirmations. But if it's a nice clear trade for me, I will go in the limit order. Okay. And when I say limit order, pretty much I will have a pending order waiting for the market to come to that order and fill me so I can get in the market. All right. So let me show you guys my next trade. Okay, so this is the Nasdaq 100. I'm quite sure you can tell that I love the Nasdaq 100. We was making higher highs. We had this nice little pop right here. We pulled back to this pop. Nice little demand level. You can actually see it better on a 1 minute chart. So let me go here. So we had this nice little demand area right here, guys. And you can tell that pretty much buyers was in the building right here. Okay, this is just straight up buying right here. When we came back to this area right here, and we was going straight up, I got in, okay, around here, and I put my stop loss. Let me put it right here. So I got in around here. I put my stop loss around at this low right here, okay, and all I was looking for was the highs, okay, nothing much. This was pretty much late in the day. I wasn't really trying to trade, but I actually got home. Okay, I was coming from the store and I opened up my chart and I saw this beautiful trade right here. I said, you know what? Let me take this trade real quick. It looks like a great trade. I took it and, it worked out pretty good. So a very quick scalp, straight to the point, and I was loving it. So that was that trade. And let me show you guys another trade that I took that day. Okay, so this is the US 30 right here. We had a nice, sell-off right here. It came back to a supply. So overall, we had nice selling going on. Let me show you guys the 1 minute chart. So here's the 1 minute chart, guys. We had nice selling going on, nice rejection, nice bearish bar right here. I actually got short right here, and I was looking for the lows because overall the market was so weak. So I said to myself, I have to go for the lows. Okay, so I went for the lows. I got out for a quick profit, and that was it. So that was that day. So let me show you guys a trade that I took today. I recorded a little bit of it, but I'm gonna show you guys my thought process. So let's go. Okay, guys. So here's the trade I took today. This is actually the Nasdaq 100, and we was going up pretty much higher highs, right? We pulled back a little bit, but we popped back up. Notice how we had this nice buying right here. So this buying right here basically created a nice little demand area right here. Okay, but not only that, okay, what do we have right here? We have a inverse head and shoulders. So let me show you that real quick. So I love these right here. When we have an inverse plus demand, okay, that is a powerful signal, something that you could definitely use when it comes to your trading. So the market was pretty much bullish, right? We was pushing up. We had this nice inverse head and shoulders, and we look to the left right here. We have support right here too, and we also have another support going on right here. So we have a lot of things lining up, guys. Right? A lot of things lining up. So there's no reason for me to even look for anything else. So we had this nice inverse head and shoulders. Let me go to the 1 minute chart. Okay, so this is the 1 minute chart right here. Okay. You could tell that the market was struggling around here and it didn't want to go down. And as soon as I saw bullish action right here, I got in. So let me put this long right here. So I got in, right? So my target was the highs because overall it looked like the market was trying to trap short sellers. Okay. So that was my target. And, while I was waiting, it came back to my break-even stop. Okay. Now, sometimes I get out when, the market comes back to my break-even. But this is where, you can actually separate yourself from, the rest, the herd. Okay. A lot of retail traders, they will put their stop to break-even, and there's nothing wrong with that. Okay. But sometimes you have to know when not to do that because you can actually miss out on profit. For example, right here, it went up and it came back. So if I put my stop to break even, I will miss out on all this profit right here. But overall, if you look at the structure, everything was lining up. This was a high quality trade for me. So I gave myself room. I told myself, okay, this is a nice trade. I'm not going to get out break even. And I'm going to let this trade play out. So we came back to my break even stop. I actually added some more. Okay. And I actually showed my group that I was in this trade. But overall, guys, I added some more when it came back to this dip right here. Okay. And the reason why I added some more because I was really loving this trade. Everything was lining up. We had a lot of support, and I didn't mind, going with some more trades. So let me basically show you guys my target on this one. Same here, and I was just waiting for the market to, go to my target. And I'm gonna show you guys the live clip real quick. But overall, I wasn't trying to record today's session, but I said to myself, you know what? Let me tape a little bit of this so I can actually add this to the video I'm going to make today. So let me show you guys the clip. So this is where I started to record my screen, and the market was going up. Again, I had my target at the highs, so I'm waiting for the market to go to my target. So let me fast forward this. Okay, right here we have the market pretty much about to hit my target. And if you look at the P&L right here, I'm up around $619. Overall, it's going to be like a $625 trade. And that's only one trade, okay? I actually took more trades. But that was the trade I wanted to show you guys, that quick live trade. But overall, those are the trades that I took today. I'm showing you guys what's possible, what you can do once you understand how to read price action. And when you understand these supply and demand zones, you can actually take advantage of these zones, because smart money loves to push up the market, come back to these areas, right? Come back to these zones, right? To fill some more orders and go right back to the original direction. And you can actually take advantage of these trades once you understand this stuff and get used to it, right? So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you definitely got value out of this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you join my free Telegram group. And if you want to learn how to become a full-time trader, definitely get my training program. I don't really try to hype up my training program that much, but today I guess I feel like I need to say a little bit more, okay? Because I believe my training program can actually change your life if you really sit down and study the material and put in the work, okay? I have a lot of students that come to me on a daily basis and tell me, hey man, I bought a lot of courses, but your course by far is the best, okay? So if you're looking for a program that will speed up your success and help you become that full-time trader and help you make more money from these markets, okay, check out the program. And another thing I want to say about it is, I do have a chat room, right? I have a Discord chat room, and I love to give my students feedback. And I believe feedback is very underrated. I know for a fact, okay, some of you guys buy these courses and you probably can't even contact the course owner, right? Or if you do, they probably won't give you, a decent feedback. What I do is I tell my students, show me your charts. Let me see what you're doing, okay? Because you might look at a video, right? And you might think that I'm saying one thing, but I'm not. I'm actually saying the opposite. So a lot of times traders will send me their chart, and I'll look at it and say, no, you're doing it wrong. You're supposed to do it this way. And they look at it and say, oh, you know what? You're right. And guess what? That little tweak, that feedback right there is actually the difference between a successful trader and an unsuccessful trader. Because I have students come back to me and say, oh man, I can't believe, I'm so glad that you gave me feedback, because now I can actually see the market much better now, okay? Again, so if you want to learn how I trade, go and check out my training program, all right? So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and please have a great day.